KayPok is a deep learning technology trying to help businesses to improve customer experience. Basically, we analyze all sorts of text data, including customer service, customer call, qualitative surveys, social media data, and we provide insight.
And what's wrong with how people are currently getting information about customer service? Where is it broken?
Oh, okay. Oh gosh, this is really technical. So basically, the current technology used, I consider it as traditional way of analytics. So it needs lots of human labeling and manual processing. And we had working with the client, and they mentioned like they have 19 people working manually on the data to analyze data, and it's really costly for companies. Or some other client, they mentioned we have a department of like 80 people. There was a big company, 80 people manually working on the data, pre-processing data. That is really costly and time intensive. So what we suggest, because we use deep learning technologies, so the technology automatically learn about all of the features by itself and automatically discover everything, categorize everything. So basically for the user, from user perspective, user just import the data to the system, click on a button, and they're gonna see the result.
How important is it that businesses properly collect that data and change the way that they do things?
I believe it's very important because I heard from so many clients the issue that is coming is noise. For example, you can assume you are Rogers, right? Like Rogers company, and they are collecting data about Rogers and what people are talking about different services in Rogers, right? And when they collect data, they define all sorts of keywords and rules to collect data. But when they collect data, they see Rogers as a telecommunication company, and Rogers as a people name, and Rogers as an author of book. And this data is aggregated together. There's lots of noise, it's mixed. So someone should sit down and manually label data and filter that data. Otherwise, the chart that they see and the dashboard that they see is not the actual data. It's not about Rogers as a telecommunication company. It's about Rogers, for example, as name of author or author of a book. Mm-hmm. So I done a case study that was very interesting. It was about Toronto Film Festival and a thief. And in the first day, we collected data. We wanted to see what people are thinking. Mm-hmm. So we saw negative sentiment. And I was wondering, wow, in the first day, negative sentiment. So after we analyzed data by KayPok, we realized that this thief is not about thief as a Toronto Film Festival. It was about thief as an argue in flower market in US that generated lots of negative sentiment. And if someone don't analyze the content, they're gonna see all of the sentiment chart, but actually it's not about their data, it's not about brand data, right? It's about something else that people are talking. So it's very important to analyze data if you want to get real customer impact and improve customer experience.